God's people were captured and taken away to the country of Babylon. The king of that country was named Nebuchadnezzar. 3 young Israelites, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, worked for King Nebuchadnezzar. But when the king wanted them to bow down and worship a golden idol he made, they wouldn't do it.
We can't. Let's go.
So the king called for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Is it true that you did not worship the golden statue I have set up? I will give you a second chance to bow down and worship, or no God will be able to save you from my power.
Nebuchadnezzar, you certainly have the power to throw us into the furnace. And our God has the power to save us. But even if he doesn't, we will not worship your statue.
The king was furious and told his soldiers to heat the furnace 7 times hotter than usual. Then Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were thrown in. But guess what happened? The men in the furnace didn't burn up. God sent someone to protect them in the furnace. The king was surprised when he saw 4 people walking around. So he told Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego to come out of the furnace. And the king made a new law. No one would be allowed to say anything bad about the God of Israel.